When you're terrified for the flight.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, bitch?
How are you?
I'm good. I have something stuck in my throat.
Where are we?
Dude, I told you we're in Wisconsin.
Currently we're in Wisconsin, right? This really looks like Wisconsin. Let's go, you beautiful men.
I saw Jordan today.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, didn't see that.
Look at this guy.
It's me, bro.
Zach is cleaning out all of his animal cages. And his bunny's over there. Where is he? Look at her.
This is Lola. She does a post every day.
She what?
She has a post on my Instagram or my Snapchat every day.
She literally brings up
Come to
every
the
single
kitchen.
piece of her food. Oh, I gotta get used to it. Come here. You want a little donut? She's like using her foot to eat it. You're making a fucking mess.
Dude, so my mom just bought this big fucking wad of parsley because it was on sale. I tried tasting it yesterday.
Okay.
I had no fucking taste at all.
John's feeding her. Where are you going? Where you guys going?
Home.
I'm very thankful for this man right here.
Yeah.
But as you guys can see, we're at a carnival. Literally in a parking lot of a mall too. Like there's, what's that over there? Burlington Coat Factory. There's a Cinemark. John's thinking about getting one of these hats. He's getting that one. What did you just say?
I said, how do you do, partner? How you doing today? You doing good? Alrighty.
So overall, we went to the carnival for about 20 minutes. John bought a $10 hat that lights up. John, it looks like someone's pulling us over.
That's why I said that.
I don't think I even said to my camera how long we're here till, right? We're here till Friday. It's Friday now, and we're here till Friday. So we're leaving tonight. No, we're here for 1 week. What did you say?
How do you do there,
Shit, he rejected my trade.
Just a dream team. Magic is how we call. Whole squad on point.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
I think you should look out your window.
Oh, no, I see him. I'm just not doing it.
Hey, having fun?
Hands up.
As you guys can see, our next stop is Topgolf. Hey! What is it, John?
Big money, big money.
What do you think of that?
That was a weak shot.
Hit this one to the back wall. Look at that form. I don't know where that went. Let's see, we can see.
Like the
he missed.
Yeah, I teach them all the time.
Big dog, 180.
Zach's pretty close to my score.
Damn straight, buddy.
You might be able to catch up, right?
Nope. Nope.
I think so.
You got
Not a bad score. 58 targets. Score 132. It's one ball. Bad Top Golf, you were fun. It's got some cool lights out here. What did you just do, John?
Completely eats ass.
What did you? That is 1:43 a.m. How many men does it take to make a bed?